Property and Casualty Written Exam Answers. Question 1. For a practice question, a contractor is building a structure and needs coverage while construction is underway. Which coverage fits? Option A, medical payments to others only. Option B, builder's risk. Option C, personal auto liability. Option D, HO for renters. The correct answer is option Builder's risk covers buildings or structures during construction subject to policy terms. Personal auto liability is wrong because personal auto liability is for vehicle liability. HO for renters is wrong because HO for is for tenants. Medical payments to others only is wrong because medical payments to others does not insure construction property. Question 2. During underwriting review, workers' compensation Part 1 pays what? Option A, statutory benefits for employee work injuries. Option B, personal umbrella losses. Option C, damage to customer cars only. Option D, homeowners' contents theft. The correct answer is option Part 1 provides benefits required by workers' compensation law for covered work injuries. Damage to customer cars only is wrong because customer car damage is garage keepers or liability exposure. Personal umbrella losses is wrong because umbrella losses are excess liability. Homeowners' contents theft is wrong because home contents theft is homeowners' property coverage. Question 3. While reviewing a policy, which auto coverage commonly applies to theft of the insured vehicle? Option A, collision coverage. Option B, comprehensive coverage. Option C, property damage liability only. Option D, medical payments only. The correct answer is option Comprehensive, often called other than collision, covers theft subject to policy terms. Collision coverage is wrong because collision requires collision or upset. Property damage liability only is wrong because property damage liability pays damage to others' property. Medical payments only is wrong because medical payments covers medical expenses. Question 4. A guest slips on the insured's icy steps and sues. Which homeowner's coverage may respond and review item 95? Option A, coverage C, personal property. Option B, coverage D, loss of use. Option C, coverage E, personal liability. Option D, coverage F, only for the dwelling. The correct answer is option Coverage E addresses claims for bodily injury or property damage for which the insured is legally liable. Coverage C, personal property is wrong because coverage C covers contents. Coverage D, loss of use is wrong because coverage D covers additional living expense or loss of use. Coverage F, only for the dwelling is wrong because coverage F is medical payments and does not cover the dwelling. Question 5. While studying insurance basics, which homeowner's coverage applies to personal property and review item 73? Option A, coverage C. Option B, coverage A. Option C, coverage B. Option D, coverage E. The correct answer is option Coverage C is for personal property or contents. Coverage A is wrong because coverage A is the dwelling. Coverage B is wrong because coverage B is other structures. Coverage E is wrong because coverage E is personal liability. Question 6. During underwriting review, loose wiring in a building is what type of hazard? Option A, morale hazard. Option B, legal hazard only. Option C, moral hazard. Option D, a physical hazard. The correct answer is option Loose wiring is a physical condition that increases the chance of loss. Moral hazard is wrong because moral hazard involves dishonesty. Morale hazard is wrong because morale hazard involves carelessness due to insurance. Legal hazard only is wrong because legal hazard involves laws or litigation trends. Question 7. On a property and casualty item, a business installs sprinklers to lower fire damage severity. Which risk management method is used? Option A, reduction. Option B, speculation. Option C, concealment. Option D, avoidance. The correct answer is option Sprinklers reduce the severity of a possible fire loss. Avoidance is wrong because avoidance would eliminate the activity or exposure. Speculation is wrong because speculation involves chance of gain. Concealment is wrong because concealment is withholding material facts. Question 8. While studying insurance basics, a fire damages a home and the homeowner must protect property from further damage. Which policy provision applies? Option A, duties after loss. Option B, insuring agreement only. Option C, definitions only. Option D, appraisal clause only. The correct answer is option Duties after loss require reasonable steps such as protecting property and notifying the insurer. Insuring agreement only is wrong because the insuring agreement grants coverage but does not list all post-loss duties. Definitions only is wrong because definitions explain terms. Appraisal clause only is wrong because appraisal handles valuation disputes. Question 9. While checking exclusions, a claims-made liability policy has a retroactive date. What does it do? Option A, guarantees unlimited limits. Option B, removes the need to report claims. Option C, limits coverage for incidents before that date. Option D, cancels the policy automatically every month. The correct answer is option. A retroactive date bars coverage for events before that date even if reported later. Cancels the policy automatically every month is wrong because it is not automatic monthly cancellation. Removes the need to report claims is wrong because claims must still be reported under policy rules. Guarantees unlimited limits is wrong because limits are still finite. Question 10. For a practice question, a CGL policy coverage primarily covers what? Option A, damage to the insured's own building only. Option B, personal auto collision. Option C, employee work injuries only. Option D, bodily injury and property damage liability. The correct answer is option. Coverage A of the CGL addresses bodily injury and property damage liability. Employee work injuries only is wrong because employee work injuries are workers' compensation exposures. Damage to the insured's own building only is wrong because the insured's building damage is property insurance. Personal auto collision is wrong because personal auto collision is auto physical damage. Question 11. In a risk management example, a claims-made liability policy has a retroactive date. What does it do? Option A, limits coverage for incidents before that date. Option B, removes the need to report claims. Option C, guarantees unlimited limits. Option D, cancels the policy automatically every month. The correct answer is option. A retroactive date bars coverage for events before that date even if reported later. Cancels the policy automatically every month is wrong because it is not automatic monthly cancellation. Removes the need to report claims is wrong because claims must still be reported under policy rules. Guarantees unlimited limits is wrong because limits are still finite. Question 12. During a licensing review, a condominium unit owner needs coverage for interior property and personal liability. Which form is typical? Option A, HO4. Option B, workers' compensation policy. Option C, HO6. Option D, commercial package policy only. The correct answer is option. HO6 is designed for condominium unit owners. HO4 is wrong because HO4 is for renters. Commercial package policy only is wrong because commercial package policies are for businesses. Workers' compensation policy is wrong because workers' compensation covers employee work injuries. Question 13. When comparing policy terms, a business uses symbol 1 on a business auto policy. What does it generally mean? Option A, owned autos only. Option B, non-owned autos only. Option C, hired autos only. Option D, any auto. The correct answer is option. Symbol 1 is the broad any auto designation in business auto coverage. Owned autos only is wrong because owned autos only are narrower symbols. Hired autos only is wrong because hired autos only are specifically hired or borrowed autos. Non-owned autos only is wrong because non-owned autos are autos not owned by the business. Question 14. While checking exclusions, a non-admitted insurer provides coverage unavailable in the standard market. Which market is involved? Option A, Medicare supplement only. Option B, workers' compensation assigned risk only. Option C, personal auto no fault only. Option D, surplus lines. The correct answer is option. Surplus lines insurance uses eligible non-admitted insurers for risks not placed in the admitted market. Medicare supplement only is wrong because Medicare supplement is health insurance. Workers' compensation assigned risk only is wrong because assigned risk is a different mechanism. Personal auto no fault only is wrong because no fault is an auto injury system. Question 15. A policy covers direct physical loss unless the cause is excluded. What coverage approach is this in review item 69? Option A, coinsurance. Option B, open perils. Option C, named perils. Option D, warranty coverage only. The correct answer is option. Open perils coverage starts broadly and then removes excluded causes. Named perils is wrong because named perils coverage requires the peril to be listed. Warranty coverage only is wrong because warranty coverage is a product concept. Coinsurance is wrong because coinsurance is an insurance to value condition. Question 16. On a revision question, a neighbor has a minor injury at the insured's home regardless of fault. Which coverage may pay small medical bills in review item 60? Option A, collision coverage. Option B, coverage A, dwelling. Option C, coverage B, other structures. Option D, coverage F, medical payments to others. The correct answer is option. Coverage F can pay medical expenses of others under policy terms regardless of legal liability. Coverage A, dwelling is wrong because coverage A is property coverage for the dwelling. Coverage B, other structures is wrong because coverage B covers other structures. Collision coverage is wrong because collision is auto physical damage coverage. Question 17. During underwriting review, an extended reporting period in a claims-made policy allows what? Option A, avoiding all deductibles. Option B, creating new coverage for future incidents. Option C, changing auto symbols. Option D, reporting certain claims after policy expiration. The correct answer is option. An extended reporting period lets claims from covered prior acts be reported after expiration. Creating new coverage for future incidents is wrong because it does not cover new incidents after the policy period unless stated. Avoiding all deductibles is wrong because deductibles still apply if applicable. Changing auto symbols is wrong because auto symbols are unrelated. Question 18. During a licensing review, money collected as premium by a producer should be treated how? Option A, as money that never needs records. Option B, as the producer's personal spending money. Option C, as a gift from the insurer. Option D, as fiduciary funds handled according to law. The correct answer is option. Premium funds are held in a fiduciary capacity and must be handled properly. As the producer's personal spending money is wrong because personal use can be conversion or theft. As a gift from the insurer is wrong because premiums are not gifts. As money that never needs records is wrong because records are required for accountability. Question 19. On a revision question, a producer offers part of the commission to persuade a customer to buy a policy when not allowed by law. What unfair practice is this? Option A, subrogation. Option B, appraisal. Option C, rebating. Option D, coinsurance. The correct answer is option. Rebating is giving an unlawful inducement not specified in the policy. Subrogation is wrong because subrogation is recovery from responsible parties. Coinsurance is wrong because coinsurance is a policy condition. Appraisal is wrong because appraisal resolves value disputes. Question 20. For a practice question, a person burns property intentionally to collect insurance. What hazard is shown? Option A, morale hazard only. Option B, moral hazard. Option C, static risk. Option D, a physical hazard only. The correct answer is option. Intentional dishonesty for insurance money is a moral hazard. Physical hazard only is wrong because physical hazards are tangible conditions. Morale hazard only is wrong because morale hazard is carelessness rather than intent. Static risk is wrong because static risk is a category of risk and not the dishonest act. Question 21. During a licensing review, employer's liability coverage is found where? Option A, homeowners coverage D. Option B, workers' compensation part 2. Option C, personal auto comprehensive. Option D, inland marine floaters only. The correct answer is option. Part 2 of workers' compensation provides employers' liability coverage for certain employee injury suits. Homeowners coverage D is wrong because coverage D is homeowners' loss of use. Personal auto comprehensive is wrong because comprehensive is auto physical damage. Inland marine floaters only is wrong because inland marine covers movable property exposures. Question 22. During a claims discussion, a fidelity bond mainly protects against what in review item 83? Option A, auto collision. Option B, earthquake damage. Option C, wear and tear. Option D, employee dishonesty. The correct answer is option. Fidelity bonds protect an organization from dishonest acts such as employee theft. Earthquake damage is wrong because earthquake damage is property catastrophe exposure. Auto collision is wrong because collision is auto physical damage. Wear and tear is wrong because wear and tear is commonly excluded. Question 23. When advising a policyholder, a CGL policy coverage B addresses which exposure? Option A, personal and advertising injury. Option B, flood damage to stock. Option C, employee payroll benefits. Option D, dwelling replacement cost. The correct answer is option. Coverage B covers personal and advertising injury offenses such as libel or certain advertising injuries. Dwelling replacement cost is wrong because dwelling replacement cost is homeowners' property coverage. Employee payroll benefits is wrong because payroll benefits are not CGL coverage B. Flood damage to stock is wrong because flood damage to stock is property coverage issue. Question 24. While checking exclusions, workers' compensation Part 1 pays what? Option A, homeowners' contents theft. Option B, statutory benefits for employee work injuries. Option C, personal umbrella losses. Option D, damage to customer cars only. The correct answer is option. Part 1 provides benefits required by workers' compensation law for covered work injuries. Damage to customer cars only is wrong because customer car damage is garage keepers or liability exposure. Personal umbrella losses is wrong because umbrella losses are excess liability. Homeowners' contents theft is wrong because home contents theft is homeowners' property coverage. Question 25. On a property and casualty item, a claims-made liability policy has a retroactive date. What does it do in review item 80? Option A, guarantees unlimited limits. Option B, removes the need to report claims. Option C, limits coverage for incidents before that date. Option D, cancels the policy automatically every month. The correct answer is option. A retroactive date bars coverage for events before that date even if reported later. Cancels the policy automatically every month is wrong because it is not automatic monthly cancellation. Removes the need to report claims is wrong because claims must still be reported under policy rules. Guarantees unlimited limits is wrong because limits are still finite.